Are you ready to peek into the latest and greatest technology available? Then sit back, relax, and get ready to see this year's top tech and gadgets. Let's have fun with the Sphero Bolt instructional coding robot while programming. The programmable 8x8 light matrix allows for unlimited gaming and coding possibilities. The Sphero Bolt has advanced sensors that let you track acceleration, direction, and speed, turning every movement into a thrilling learning experience. No need to aim your robotic ball thanks to the integrated compass. Just watch it go. And to top it all off, you can easily program Bolt using Sphero Indi app. With scratch blocks, JavaScript text, or even drawing on your screen, the power to code and create is in your hands. Tired of scales that leave you guessing? With Withings, you get precision like never before, ensuring that you always have accurate weight readings. But that's just the beginning. This smart scale takes health monitoring to a whole new level. It reveals your body composition, including body fat, muscle mass, water percentage, lean mass, and even bone mass. You can also delve into the cardiovascular insights, keeping track of your standing heart rate. Plus, it helps you manage your nutrition by allowing you to monitor your calorie intake. This smart scale will bring you incredible control over your health. Struggling between cloud services and complicated backup solutions? Look no further than the Amber Storage Platform Collection. You can effortlessly backup, share, and stream your files as you please, all within one unified platform. But it doesn't stop there. Amber's powerful iX app offers impressive backup capabilities for both Amber X and Amber Pro, ensuring your data is safeguarded. Never lose a precious memory again. Amber lets you back up your camera roll and find files quickly. You can also access your files remotely and share them securely with your chosen people. Tired of searching for your keys or concerned about locking the door? Say hello to the Aqara U100 door lock. You can unlock your door effortlessly using your iPhone or Apple Watch, and even if they're running low on battery. And it gets even better because you can easily manage and share access with guests right from your Apple Home app. It uses a high-precision fingerprint scanner to unlock and stores up to 50 fingerprints. And to top it all off, you'll never have to worry about forgetting to lock the door ever again, thanks to its built-in gyroscope that automatically locks it after you close it. With the PlayStation Remote Player, you can enjoy PS5 gaming in a whole new way. It has a stunning 8-inch LCD screen, delivering jaw-dropping 1080p resolution at a silky smooth 60 frames per second. And the best part? You can play your PS5 games from anywhere in your home thanks to the seamless Wi-Fi connectivity that connects you remotely to your PS5. But wait, there's more. With a 3.5mm audio jack for wired sound and the cutting-edge PlayStation Link wireless audio technology for low latency, lossless audio, every sound, every detail will immerse you in the game like never before. Behold the Caviar Apple Vision Pro headset, a blend of technology and high fashion that will captivate you. This headset draws inspiration from the world of luxury fashion, channeling the spirit of renowned brands like Tom Ford and Gucci. It has a luxurious eye shield that ensures your privacy while exuding elegance. It also incorporates the legendary cannoli leather headband, a material revered by the British royal court and Rolls-Royce. Furthermore, the casing and protective mask are crafted from 18-karat gold, adding an unparalleled touch of luxury that leaves you feeling like royalty. Want a ride that's not just smooth but unbelievably powerful? Get ready with the Velotric T1 e-bike. It boasts a zero-wire look, seamlessly blending the aesthetics of a traditional bicycle with cutting-edge technology. The VeloPower E35 Plus drive system includes a torque sensor, providing incredible smoothness and power. But that's not all. With a remarkable range of up to 70 miles on a single charge from its 36-volt 9.8 amp battery, your adventures are boundless, and the 6-hour charge time keeps you on the move. And for the ultimate control, the app offers keyless unlock, anti-theft alert, ride customization, and much more. Do you want to transform your driving experience and make it safer than ever? Let's take a look at the 70My AI Dashcam. With the HDR dual channeling recording, you'll experience a new level of road visibility, thanks to the front 4K HDR and the rear 1080p HDR cameras working harmoniously. The AI motion detection also activates recording at the first sign of potential threat, keeping you safe and sound. And on top of that, when you need to pinpoint the exact location of an incident, the built-in GPS will show you the time, speed, and coordinates. Are you ready to revolutionize your gaming experience? Say hello to the Corsair K70 MAX keyboard. Thanks to the groundbreaking Corsair MGX switches designed for lightning-fast response times and pinpoint accuracy, precision is at your fingertips. With RGB backlighting, you can customize each key's lighting for an unrivaled visual experience. Moreover, this keyboard features dual-point actuation, allowing you to execute 2 distinct actions with a single key press. Light tap for one action, harder press for another. It's a game changer for complex combos. And for those fast-paced battles, the rapid trigger mode ensures per-key hyper-responsiveness, giving you the edge over your competition. Aleck Punks earbuds are the ultimate audio companions for open-face helmet riders. You can dive deep into your favorite tunes with an extended 19-hour playtime without worrying about constant recharging. But that's not all. They are dust and water resistant, meaning that you can take them anywhere, in any condition, with absolute confidence. Staying connected with your riding crew has never been easier. These earbuds have a friend finder feature allowing you to communicate effortlessly using open channel, party, or standard push-to-talk modes. It's like having your own private communication network on the go. Are you seeking a self-guided exploratory learning tool that even preschoolers can enjoy? Meet the Sphero Learning Robot. With Sphero Indi, children become engineers, architects, and programmers as they design and create colorful custom mazes for Indi to navigate. Moreover, kids can dive into the basics of programming using color cards, and as they level up, they can explore the magic of drag-and-drop blocks in the Sphero Indi Junior app, specifically crafted for Indi. These stickers even allow your children to personalize this STEM robot, and the best part? This robot uses cutting-edge charging technology and Bluetooth to connect to your gadgets. Immerse yourself in a world of endless possibilities with an astonishing 400 tones with Casio Privia PX S700 piano. Thanks to the smart hybrid hammer action keys, your every touch is met with the lifelike response of spruce key construction, advanced counterweights, and cutting-edge dampening materials, delivering an unparalleled playing experience that will simply leave you astonished. Besides, with its elegant finish, this piano is a visual masterpiece, adding a touch of modern style and sophistication to any space. The sturdy wooden stand and the 3-fixed pedal provide stability and functionality, making it a complete package that caters to all your needs. Tired of losing control when riding the waves on your Life E-foils? The Life Foils Elite hand controller can handle your E-foils like a breeze, thanks to its improved button layout and stunning high-resolution full-color display. And guess what? It even floats, so no more frantic searching in the water. With a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 10 hours, you can ride all day without a care. Plus, it's equipped with GPS-driven technology for precise navigation and provides live speed readouts for that adrenaline rush you crave. It's also designed to be waterproof so accidental splashes or drops won't be a problem. Are your indoor plants yearning for a little extra attention and care? Look no further than the Soltech LED plant light. With just a touch, you can effortlessly control the intensity of this remarkable light, transforming your space into a botanical wonderland. But that's just the beginning. It's built to withstand the test of time thanks to its sturdy aluminum body and premium LEDs. Worried about your furry friends? Fear not, because this LED plant light is pet safe, ensuring your pet's well-being. Plus, it's an eco-warrior, helping you live sustainably by trimming down your energy bills with its advanced LED technology. Thanks for tuning into our video about tech and gadgets. We hope you found the content interesting and useful. Feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts and feedback, and thanks again for watching. And of course, stay tuned for more tech and gadget content.